Hi everyone, Sports Guy Show is here, also officially known as Shaked Bartal. Ladies and gentlemen, here is part 3, how to make a homemade, delicious, healthy cauliflower pizza. And the pizza is ready, ladies and gentlemen. It smells delicious. I wish that there would be a way for smell-o-vision, or in this case, smell-o-YouTube, because it's smelling so delicious. What you're looking at is mushrooms. There's garlic, there is a pineapple, tomatoes, there's olive oils, extra virgin olive oils, Italian spices. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to eat healthy, and we all do, if you love pizza, we all do, go ahead, make yourself a cauliflower pizza at home. It's so easy. It's so delicious. It's yummy. And you don't have to worry about calories and have to worry about dough. If you're allergic to flour and all of that, you don't have to worry about that, because this pizza has no flours. It's healthy. It's yummy. It's delicious. And with that, the Sports Guy Show is signing off.